Srishti Tiwari. Srishti Tiwari, the first topic is your extempore topic is very nice, very good. You have to speak on the topic library.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to pay thanks to our English teacher, Mr. Ahin Dwivedi, sir, who has given me this golden opportunity to speak over this beautiful topic, library. Friends, library plays a very important role in not into a student's life, but also a person who is working in today's life. Because in library, you may easily get any type of books. It may be it may be a it may be of economics or physics um, or um, or chemistry, any type of books you can get. Library consists of more than 15,000 and not less than 1 lakh or 2 lakh books. So it is a very best place to read and try to understand the concept of too many great things which the scientists discovered. So it is a very great place. In ancient times there was no library, so people understand the things by exchanging their ideas. It's all about my topic. That's all. Thank you for listening to me.
Very nice, good. Now the chance goes to Pooja. Pooja, you have to speak on the topic. Your topic is Pooja, you are able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your topic is garden. Speak on the topic garden.
Hello, good morning, friends. First of all, I would like to pay thanks to sir who has given me uh, such a golden opportunity to speak over this beautiful topic, garden. Friends, as we know that garden is a place where uh, where elders goes for work and children goes children go for children go for play play playing badminton, cricket, and many games. In garden, there are beautiful different types of flowers, like sunflower, rose, and many types of flowers. Friends, as we know that in garden we go for yoga and many types of exercise and and uh, uh, pranayam. In garden we get fresh air and sufficient oxygen level. uh, During this corona period, we are unable to go in garden. So we we so we are in our home, and here we
Now the chance goes to Anjali Chaurasia. Anjali, you speak on
Yes,
the
sir.
topic. You speak on the topic. Your topic is speak on the topic family.
Okay, sir. Hello, everyone. Today my topic is family. Before speaking on this topic, I would like to thanks to Ahin sir who has given me this golden opportunity to speak over this topic, family. There are two type of family: joint family and nuclear family. Joint family are many member like grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, cousin, mom, dad, sibling. and I share all my problem to my family, like that any situation and anywhere. My family always support me, and uh, he always and he it's always support me, and he and my father is always support me any situation, anywhere. My father also understood the rule of life, like that other talk to other person, talk to anywhere, sit here, like that, reading and etc. My father my my father also taught me, teach me any rule of life. Thank you for listening to me.
Pallavi,
Yes, sir.
you speak on the topic. Your topic is. You have to speak on the topic. Your topic is winter.
Okay, sir. First of all, I would like to pay thanks to sir who has given me this golden opportunity to speak over the topic. Next topic is winter. Friends, we all are Indian, and in India there are different kinds of seasons like winter season, summer season, and autumn season. We talk about winter season. Winter season starts from last of October month and after the Diwali festival. Winter start. In winter, we use woolen cloth to save us, and in winter we enjoy different kinds of vegetables and different kinds of fruits. In winter, um, the temperature goes to North India above one at least 1 degree centigrade. In winter, we enjoy lots of food like pakodi and tea. And in winter, we we enjoy with family. Winter season, I am like winter season compared to summer and rainy season or autumn season. It's all about my topic. Thanks for listening.
Mohan Bajpayee.
Yes, sir.
You have to speak on the topic. Your topic is Lucknow.
Hello, everyone. Before speaking about the topic, I would like to say thanks to sir who has given me this golden opportunity. My topic is Lucknow. Lucknow is the capital of UP, and uh, Lucknow is the developed city. There is many things, and there is many things which you get, and there is so much parks. There is so much libraries, and there is best competition coachings. You get where you can prepare for your study. And in Lucknow, there is so much famous things, and there is uh, so big, so much, so much, and developed hospital also situated there. And there is our CM, Mr. Yogi Adityanath, also live there. It's all about my topic. Thank you for listening.
Now chance goes to Dipanshi. Dipanshi,
Yes, sir. Good morning.
good morning. You speak on the topic. Your topic is. You have to speak on the topic temple. Temple. Deepanshi, you will go
Hello
first.
everyone. Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to pay thanks to Mr. Ahindra sir who gave me this golden opportunity to speak over this topic. My topic is temple. In India, India is famous for its temples located in every cities. Uh, in India, there are many famous temples like in Rameshwaram. There are especially in South, they are very spiritual temples. Foreign offer remark that India is a land of temple. In Vrindavan, there are many temples like Baki Bihari Temple, Prem Mandir, etc. As we approach the temple, we see a majestic and magnificent construction there. There it covers a wide area having in front of walls where artists remark their art by art them walls are in my area there are Hanumanji temple, Vaishno Devi temple, Buddha Mama temple. These three temples are famous in the area of NIT. The and located in one is located in Trikona Park and second is located in 1F block of New Industrial Township, and the third is NT. That's all about me. Thanks for listening to me.
Ayushi,
Yes, sir.
you speak on the topic. Your topic is. To speak on the topic. Your topic is vegetables.
Okay, sir. First of all, I would like to pay thanks to sir who has given me this golden opportunity to speak over this topic. My topic is vegetables. The spelling of vegetable is VEGITABLE, vegetables. Vegetables play a big role for our health. Vegetables vegetables play a big role for our health. Vegetables give us protein, many vitamins, and many more things for most important for our health. There are many vegetables produced in India. I also like to eat the green vegetables because it is important for health. Vegetables are called a protective food for their consumption, and vegetables give us many proteins, nutrients, and many more. In Lucknow, there are many vegetable shops. There are many vegetable shops and market. It's if any person's
Nuksar, speak on the topic. Your topic is. Nuksar, speak on the topic. Your topic is.
Yes, sir.
Your topic is when you. Oh, sorry. You have to give the example topic. Your example topic is father. Speak on the topic father.
Okay, sir. My extempore topic. Hello, everyone. My extempore topic is father. Before speaking over this topic, I would like to pay thanks to Mr. Ahin sir, who has given me this golden opportunity to speak over this topic. My topic is father. The spelling of father, F-A-T-H-E-R. A father can be defined as many things, but he is essential part of the family. He is the head of family. A father of he is responsible for providing housing and food to the family. My father is backbone in my family. He is a hard worker. He gives me everything in my childhood. My father is the most beloved person in my family. and he loves me the most. Uh, my father fulfill our needs and wishes. Whenever I feel depressed or sad, he motivates me with his words. It's all about my topic. Thanks for listening to me.
Okay, now the chance goes to Srishti Tiwari. You ask your vote. Srishti, you ask your vote.
Hello guys, I'm going to take part in best speaker in English competition. So guys, I need your love and support. So please vote me. For vote me, please write my name SHRISTI. Thank you.
Pallavi, now your chance. Ask for support.
Hello friends, my name is Pallavi Dikshit and I am going to take part in English speaking best speaker competition. Please vote me and write my name. My spelling is PALLABI.
Now, Pooja, just ask for vote on the video.
Hello friends, I am going to take part in best speaker. So please vote me. For vote me, please write my name, Pooja, POOZ. Thank you.
Anjali, ask for support.
Hello everyone. I am Anjali Chaurasia. Please vote for me. Write by name. My name spelling is ANJALICHAURASIY.
Mohan. Mohan Bajpayee. Mohan, I think it's not double clear. Dipanshi. Dipanshi.
Hello everyone, I am going to take part in best speaking competition. Please write my name Dipanshi. My spelling of my name is DIPANSHI. Please vote for me.
Video is not on.
Sir, I am unable to
Okay, no problem.
do so.
Okay.
Okay,
Mohan Bajpayee.
Hello everyone. I am going to take part in the best speaker in English competition classes. So I need your help and your support. Please, type my name ANEET for support me. Thank you.
Ayushi.
Hello, sir. And hello, everyone. I'm going to take a part of a best speaker competition. Please vote me. My name is AYUSHI Ayushi Shivzao. Thank you, sir.
Sir.
Hello friend, my name is Ruksar. I am taking part for best English speaker competition. For vote me, my name type my name Ruksar RUKHSAR. Thank you.
Everybody has appealed. Everybody has asked for vote. I think so. Yes. Anybody is remained? No. Everybody has said. Okay. So they guys, they all are going to take part in the best English competition. So you just know that for making them best, your support is needed. So just vote them and make them best. Let's see who becomes the best English competitor, who becomes the best English speaker. Let me check it out. Your vote is needed. Thank you.